everyone, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. It's been a while, and I know after was assaulted in the hospital, I have been taking it easy and not doing as much. Seriously, there is a lot of trauma I'm still dealing with, and yeah, I'm waiting to see what the police are going to be doing. Oh, it's a mess, but hey, I'm here, and today, celebrating Christmas, solstice, season greetings, and Yule tides to everybody. Merry Christmas. I'm excited, Gerard Cosmetics. This is the haul it all of, oh yeah, the box 3, the haul box. And I got this, and I'm going to be surprising my wife with it. Now, I got to make sure she doesn't watch this video. Because she's not going to open it until Christmas. But this was something I got for her and because I figured we both would go through the stuff, and I'm excited to find out what's in here. And I got some Christmas, some stuff I've been decorating. I love this time of year. It's just such a fun time. All right, you open up. And here is a little note from Jen. And Jen Gerard, she is an absolute sweetheart. I had gotten one of her mystery boxes last year, and I loved it. So this year I went all out. I don't know what's in here. So let's see what the box 3 has. Now, I was hoping to get this, her teeth whitening kit. I am so glad this was in here. This is awesome. Holy moly. There's a lot of stuff in here. I don't know. I just peek in and this is what I'm seeing. This is, wow. So let's see here. Watermelon spray. And it comes with an extra. I don't have watermelon. I think my wife, and I'm not a big fan of watermelon stuff, but my wife loves it, so I think she will love this spray. I'm using their chocolate chip mint. Smells so good, and I love that one. I put it on my face today already. Let's see here. I got Mystified Hydrating Facial Mist. Ooh. I'm going to open this up because I want to see it. I am really hot. I know it's like freezing cold outside, but I'm like, spray before or after your makeup, keeps you hydrated and smooth. Oh, I love the scent. It's a floral scent, but it's not like, wow. Ooh. It just reminds me of a garden, walking out in my gardens. That is amazing. This is cool. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Uh-huh. Now there is a pop socket. I do love getting these little pop sockets, and myself or my wife or my daughter, someone's going to use this. Now let's see what else I've got in here. I love their lip pencils, and this is Peachy Keen. I do not have this color, but look at it. The packaging of Gerard Cosmetics is just so beautiful, and it's very luxurious. Jen is from my hometown where I grew up down in California. There it is. This is pretty. I just love they're creamy and they sharpen well. These are amazing. So yay for that. And let's see here. I've got a Supreme lip cream. I don't know if I have any of their lip cream. And this is in Electric Rose. That just sounds really cool. Oh, wow. Look at this. My color. looks like it got settled. There we go. See that? That is... Yeah, I would rock this shade. So would my wife. She would look gorgeous in it. I love my wife. You'll hear me talk about her all the time. She works very hard for this family and keeps us all afloat and does so much stuff around the home. She is my beautiful, lovely woman. This is Color Your Smile lip gloss in color Summer Sun. Now, I am wearing one of her lip glosses right now. It's Cocoa Bean. I'm wearing Cocoa Bean. I thought I had it sitting here on my desk, but I don't know where it is now. And I actually cleaned off my area today. Oh, this is... I'm like, what is that? That's an altar cloth. For tarot cards, I usually use it for. See. Whoa, now this, that is a color. Holy moly. I do love how it lights up. And then you have the mirror on the back and, oh, I have to peel off the thing, the cover. But, oh my God, this is orange, baby. This is a fun color. It smells like orange too. Oh wow. I don't wear a lot of orange. Now my wife, on the other hand, loves the color. So let's see what else I got in here. Now I have another Hydra Matte liquid lipstick. And this is Adam and Eve. I love that. Adam and Eve. I have been watching a lot of re-watching Lucifer. And I'm in the season, I just finished season 3. No, is it 3? No, 4, where Eve shows up. And I'm also watching The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, re-watching that. And of course, you know, Lilith has her Adam. Remember that? All right, so let's see here. This is a real pretty color. This color, I can tell you right now, my daughter wants it. It is such a... This would look really good though with certain... Oh my gosh. I wasn't thinking this would look good on me, but honey, look at that. And it would go well with the Peachy Keen lip liner I got. Ooh. So that's really cool. Now I know I'm trying to put this stuff back. I'm sorry. And I got in here Kiss Assist Lip Plumper. I do not have any of her lip plumpers, so I want to see this. I'm like, I don't want to ruin my pretty holiday nails. Okay, the heater just came on down below me, and I've been hot. Okay, this looks really cool. Oh, I like the smell. Ooh. It's cinnamon. It's like got cinnamon. This is so amazing. So we're going to put this away, and then I'm going to go into some other colors. And, oh, give me one moment. I'm back. As I'm a mommy who's homeschooling, so now and then I have to stop and help the kids. Because it's that time of year where they're trying to get everything finished up for winter Christmas break. Now, I still got more stuff. Oh, I love her metal mats. We have a few of them. Let's see here. This one's double shot. I don't think I got double shot, though. But her metallic mats, they are so... I do have this one. Or I did. My wife took it. I love this. Because it's a matte and it's metallic and it's shiny. I love this lipstick. Woohoo. I had something here. I had wipes and now I can't find them. Okay. Oh, found them. I got to roll over here. I'll be back, folks. I'm back. Anyway, so yeah, her metallic mattes, they go on so well. So I love that. And this is a great a fave color. So that's nice to have. Now there's more goodies in here. Okay, we have a lipstick. Which color? London Fog. What is that? That just sounds intriguing. Here's what their lipsticks look like. Oh, that is gorgeous. This is so me. Look at that. Oh, and it's got sparkles. Oh, where's that from? The metallic. You don't know. But that is such a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Oh my goodness. I look forward to, yeah, using this. Now there's more stuff in here. There's a lot. This is Lip Medic, Gerard Cosmetic. Oh, buttercream. This just sounds great. My lips, like today I woke up, my lips were a mess, and I was just like, they are dry, they were messy. It's the temperatures are so cold up here, and we're having an inversion, which really sucks. Why can't I get this to open? But what happens is all the nasty polluted air stays stuck in our valley here in Boise, Treasure Valley. And it's horrible to breathe. Huh. Doesn't seem to want to open that direction. Is it this way I can get it to open? Okay. I'm destroying this package. Yeah, so breathing's been awful. And the air's just, I mean, it's thick and nasty. And it's cold. Freezing cold. It's, you know, in the 20s and Fahrenheit, and that's cold. It's wrapped up. Oh, wow. I want to smell this. I got to open it because I got to smell it. How does that feel? Oh, how nice. I cannot wait to use this. It's a lip scrub. It smells so good. I have not tried any of her lip scrubs before, so this is nice. I'm going to definitely like that. And what else is in here? Oh, clean canvas base white. I don't have the white. I have the fair color. Oops. No, this one, I'm not going to open it up because I'm struggling. But her clean canvas is so amazing to use on your eye makeup. So we got white, the eye canvas cream white in white. It comes in other colors, which is really, really nice. So I got that. And then there's one more other product in here. And this is, this is Bridget from the Star Powder. I am actually wearing Star Powder right now. And the color I'm wearing is Grace. See right here? This packaging is so cool. I opened it up like this, and then I was like, why am I not getting, because there's a, yeah, that was fun, you know, me discovering that. I was like, why is there nothing getting on my brush? And clearly, Bridget is another color. They're her highlighters. These are new to her, and I really like them. I really like the highlighters, so I'm glad to be getting another color. I wanted to check it out, but I don't want to destroy this box. Okay, I didn't have to destroy the box. I did it. Okay. Come on out, Bridget. You push in the little button, pops open. Ooh, I would use this kind of like a blush, but that is so pretty. I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to wait. But yeah, so yeah, folks, so what do we got in here in this box? Let's see here. I got a full setting spray. I got a star powder. Oh, I'm like, wait a minute, this is what I'm wearing today. I'm like, where'd this come from? And it's also Gerard. We got the hydrating facial mist. That's, wow. So that's 3 products so far. A pencil, lip pencil 4. Lip cream 5. A lip plumper 6. A Hydra Matte lipstick 7. The lip scrub 8. The metal matte 9. The what is this? Lip gloss 10. Color your slime. 11 for the lipstick, and the clean canvas 12. There's 12 wonderful. Oh, 13 teeth whitening. This box, I do feel I got my money's worth totally, and I'm excited for this because my wife and I are gonna have fun reopening this under the tree. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put up this video or not because I'm just like so tired and out of it. I thought today was Monday. It's Tuesday. I don't know what happened. It feels like a Monday, let me tell you, but no, it's Tuesday. All right, everybody, I love you all. Thank you for watching this video. Please go and support Gerard Cosmetics. No, I am not an affiliate. This was not sponsored. I just love their products, okay? And I think Jen Gerard is an amazing, beautiful human being. She's great. Okay, everybody, remember, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Check me out on Lunar Blessings. There's a lot more going on over there. I love you. I'll see you next time here on the MB Network. Bye.